discuss team members of Udan Planet. Tell me about your experience on the School Enterprise Challenge.
While competing in the School Enterprise Challenge, we learned a lot. It gave us exposure about setting up our own business and brushed up our skills as well.
Okay, you have worked as a team. So what business did you set up and what has been your specific role?
We were part of Udan Planet, where we had a policy of environment first. So we aimed at planting saplings and manufacturing best products out of waste.
We during our Udan Planet we faced a lot of challenges. Our main challenge, our basic challenge was to search for a land where we can grow plants and start up with our business. So we hunt for a land and we found that in the backyard of our school we found a land where we can grow plants.
So what business skills have you learned?
We have learned numerous business skills. Some of them are marketing, managerial skills, organizational skills, and entrepreneurial.
I'm interested in knowing from each one of you what specific role you have played in the Udan Planet team. Siraj.
In the Udan Planet team, I learned a lot from our gardener sir, who always taught us how to plow the field, how to plant trees, and what are the necessities which are required for growing plants.
What was your role?
My role was to plow the field and grow plants, and also to engage all the students of junior classes to do work as a teamwork so that we can get more and more out.
And Vidit, what was your role?
My role in the Udan Planet was to first go to the nursery, and I also helped the school nursery in manufacturing the manure so that it would come cheaply to us, as it was really costly in the market.
Can any one of you share, like how do you used to calculate the price of the pots which you were selling during the sales exhibition?
We used the actual cost price of the pot, and then we transferred a plant from the garden. And after seeing the value of the plant and the pot, we calculated the total cost price, and then the selling price was kept at 10% with the 10% margin.
Okay. And what was the response of customers? Like, do you able to convince them for purchase of the plant, or do you use some strategies while selling?
Yes, we use lot of strategies to sold our plants to the people. Our experience was very good, and I think people also wanted to get the plants. They are not many nature lovers, so our business was quite good of selling plants to.
We started a campaign that was to gift a plant on every occasion rather than gifting expensive items.
So you created a sense of awareness amongst your customers for
Not-
saving the environment.
Not only us, but the customers also advised us about what kind of plants we should keep in our stalls.
Okay, did you keep a survey, some kind of a survey?
Yes, ma'am. When our school organized some PTMs or when there are some seminars, then our Udan Planet got a chance to survey on the various things about the various plants, and with the help of that, we took advice from people, and also we gave more and more awareness to the society about plants and about the necessity of plants for saving our environment.
The botanical teachers and the gardeners of the school also helped us in advising us which plants would be better to keep and which one the people would like to buy.
Okay, now I specifically want to know about the challenges which were faced by you while running this particular business. Each one of you can share the challenges separately.
The challenge faced by me was the high cost of production, so I eventually overcame it by using earthen pots.
Okay, earlier you were using some different kinds of
Yes,
pots? Fancy, ceramic ones. Okay.
The second challenge was to make a cost-effective manure, which we were able to do by using a 10th class science project from the previous year. We collected waste products from canteen, the biodegradable waste from canteen, and then put it all in a pit. After a month or so, some processes were done so that it turned into manure, and it was given to school nursery.
And our main challenge was to hunt for a land so that we can start up our business, and secondly to manage all the students, the junior as well as senior students, to get engaged in all the activities so that we can have more benefit from this Quran Fair.
Okay, how do you think you will be using these skills when you leave school?
These skills will come very handy to us in our jobs if we go in some sales sector or something, because it has taught us to never lose motivation. It doesn't matter if a person says no to your products, there will be someone who will buy them, and eventually there will be someone who will buy a lot of products from you. And
So you are sure about the fact that it will increase your employability,
Yes, ma'am.
and you will be able to give job to some other persons also?